Many people are familiar with the inequality a squared plus b squared is greater than or equal to 2ab. It is simply the well-known arithmetic mean greater than or equal to geometric mean inequality for two numbers. But here comes an interesting question. Can we use this to prove something stronger? For example, can we prove that a cubed plus b cubed plus c cubed is greater than or equal to 3a or b, c? At first glance, this looks quite different. It involves cubes, three variables, and seems more complicated. Actually, we can derive it by using a simple but clever idea. Let's think carefully. We start with what we know. A squared plus b squared is greater than or equal to 2ab. Now let's replace a with x squared and b with y squared. Then it becomes x to the power of 4 plus y to the power of 4 is greater than or equal to 2 times x squared y squared. Similarly, for another pair, u and v, we have u to the power of 4 plus v to the power of 4 is greater than or equal to 2 times u squared, v squared. Now adding these two inequalities together, we get. Again, applying the inequality to x, y, and uv, we get. Therefore, the entire expression becomes Now let's make a substitution to connect this back to our original problem. We set x to the power of 4 equals a cubed, y to the power of 4 equals b cubed, u to the power of 4 equals c cubed, and v to the power of 4 equals a b. Then the inequality becomes simplifying inside the root gives us. Thus we have subtracting ABC from both sides gives us, and that completes the proof. So, starting from a simple inequality and using a few substitutions, we have successfully proved that a cube plus b cubed plus c cubed is greater than or equal to 3abc. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more problem-solving videos.